Hello everyone, I'm back again and let's start today's 10th 3D abstract background / wallpaper in Blender 3.0. Let's start better. So first of all, I'll set my Blender user interface for my own convenience, my routine where I work easily. So let's clean up the scene and reset our setup. And also set our render engine. I do not use cycles and EV both, but my clients always ask for me to give it more and cycles if those clients understand what are the outputs of cycles in Blender. So some clients ask me for that. So the render resolution is 1920 by 1080, which is default. We will change it later as we finish our artwork. So let's start what we are trying to create today. Let's have a t-shirt we make. Yes, we can. Let's try. Okay, so what I will do, I'll select N. Let's switch on the shortcuts of keyboard and then press N and go to transform, and here should I have local, so X is 0, and let's move it up, go to wireframe. Okay, so what I will do, I'll take a reference better. I'll take a reference called t-shirt. Okay, something like okay, I guess this one's good. Open, right click, we tap, and yeah, it's very small. Let's try use that. Okay, so this is done. Put it here. uh, Go to edit. Let's set your t-shirt first. Okay, don't worry, we will refine it later. uh, yes, we will refine. And so let's divide, not divide, let's extrude first. Push this back, select all, E. Okay, select all again and push it to center. Then delete these polygons or faces, and also this one. Done. Okay, now divide it properly, so I will set this little down, set this little down. Okay, and also okay, now I want to divide this properly, subdivide this properly, so let's have a little bigger simulation whenever we need. So nice. Okay, control R, sort of. This is done now. Okay, now let's say create, edit, color, uh, frame. I need first frame, then I'll use correct, of course same as here. And here too. Fine. So let's divide these back again. How much we have? 7. Control R. Okay, 7. Let's have little here. Let's have little here and also here, little equivalent. Fine. Okay, let's have one fish. Got it. Now mirror and apply, then edit, select, right click, relax. Okay, I guess this is good. This is okay. Now what? Now we need a good realistic set. If you see, I have here edges which are fine, and I need to select and loop it properly. We can make a stitch there. So let's say a bevel with one segment is good enough. I hope so. So now uh, let's create a hanger. So for hanger, I'll delete this front. Okay, now again I need a 50 lane, rotate x 90 gz, and I'll put it here. Edit, scale down. Okay, and I, that too good. So now right click and loop tool with circle. This is good. Right click, loop tool with circle. This is good. Really good. Now what? Delete these. Okay, click to edge. E, done. Okay, so now let's have this here with this way. Control R here, and few loops here. Vertex. Set it in a way where you don't need any support, like weird support. You don't need any weird support. So that's why I'm trying to set it in a manner where you can have a nice curve. Okay, so better delete these. Sorry, delete this vertex. Mirror again. I will change it. See, and it. Mm. Delete the face. Let's delete only this much, and bring a cut here, and then this one. This is okay. Now what? Select all. I. Okay. Cut again. This way. This way. So let's have and solidify with 0 offset, but increase the thickness. I guess this is enough. And let's have something here. Edit again, but apply these. So go to object mode, edit, apply, then select faces, this one and this one, and Alt E and extrude along normals. So do this little, then select these, S, Y, scale it, Alt S to do this. Okay, and done. So let's have subdivision surface this way, smooth subdivision surface. I think this is good, really good. This shows nice. This shape has done quite enough help. Let's scale this a little so I can understand. Yes. Now I need a small relax on this. So select all, right click, relax is fine with 10. It's okay. We will manage it. So now what I need these to be cloth modifier. So I'll go here in my physics property. I'll select these to cloth. Means my t-shirt is a cloth with cloth physics, and the hanger is with collision physics. And now cloth has some self collision also. We will do that. Okay. And let's try. So bake it for 250 frames. Let's see. Okay, let's give it a name. T-shirt and hanger. So here, and bake it. Hope it works, because this is the very simplest way to create cloth, or a wearable cloth hanged on hanger. This is, I think, should be made way should be made. So let's see. Great. Awesome. Really great. Okay, don't slide away. Check again. Amazing. So now what's the issue here is this. So undo without relax. Let's see with this. Okay, and edit. Good. Let's put a self collision on and same collision to this. Now let's try again. Sorry, I was clicking calculate to frame. Better you should click on bake. And how much animation you want to bake, or you want to test your simulation. You decide your simulation start and end. So in between those frames, those numbers, it will simulate. This is too much, but I think okay. So that means we need a relax, definitely. So okay. So what I will do, I will relax with a small scale, little up, and apply the scale first before you create your simulation. Then right click, then edit, select all, right click, relax, not with 10 but at least with 5, so it will be okay. And then come back to edit. Now use cloths. Now this collision, and let's set this to self collision on the t-shirt and bake it. Okay, now let's see. This is fine. This is fine. This is fine. Okay, select, right click, convert to mesh, and remove this from hanger. T-shirt is done. Let's give a smooth surface, subdivision surface, I mean. This goes good. Let's have an solidify a little, and no even thickness. It will pinch somewhere. If you see, let's check. So this is better. Okay, and now I need to apply this solidify through edit, switch off the subdivision surface, and select the select those edges which we are looking for. Alt E, little here, and okay, this one is fine. So now you want to edit a little. So go to Control tab, just sculpt mode, press X here, and then elastic deform and set it little roundish. It seems good. Control 1, so I can handle it from back. This is perfect. And come back to object mode. You can go to edit and then shift and alt, hold it, and you click between these edges. You will have a loop, same as here, same as here, and a little here. So alt E along spline, along edges, just a little. After that, take edges, control R, drag it towards the corner of that extruded edges, same as here. Of course, we are not animating this further. We're just creating a wallpaper. So this is the shape which we are expecting to create. We are imagining it. So that's why let's work with this. Now let's switch on. Nice and easy. Perfecto. It's done. Okay. So this is my t-shirt and a little, what I'll do, set it properly. Okay. Yes, this is good. Let's have a wrinkle from here, cloth filter, or this, even this. Let's exit. Nice. Great. So this is done. Let's have an empty to this. And also let's create a hanger to hang this hanger, I guess. So for that, let's edit, select all, M and center. Okay, come back to object mode, this here, then edit, uh, not edit, let's have it this way, edit now, E, select all, E, set. So I guess I didn't got the plane exactly, E, and I guess we deleted, no, you're seeing it this way. Okay, select all, merge, center, again, E, Y, yes. Now little up, Control Shift B for these, and then right click, convert to curve, and this is fine. Convert to mesh. Then let's select these, F, Control B, with segment, and then in object mode, let's handle it in my frame. I need to adjust it in a way where it touches to the angle in such manner, and I need a plane which, let's do not have a plane. Let's select these. I'm here, press E, enter, scale. Okay, this is good. And what we can do, I'll select, deselect this, and E, down, I guess, Z, a little. I need a support down for the hanger to hold it properly. So now what I need not this, I need, yeah, selection we done, these. Now press I, right click, relax, not so much, so right click and relax, set it to just one, I guess. Okay, so again I can use E, enter, S, scale it, little scale it to the sideways, make it equal. This is done. Okay, now what, E, Y here, and uh, press F and cap it. Let's connect this. So K to these. K for knife tool, and you can use it this way. So what you have to do, click K on keyboard and then click to one vertex and towards the other vertex. See if it is snapping automatically, and then click on that vertex and press enter. If you don't enter, it won't accept the cut. So this is it. Okay, now I need to insert this too. So it is done. Okay, let's say subdivision surface. Okay, now I need a cut here. So I got a cut. I'm gonna cut here too. Twice G, and you can drag it on the edge. Control B here to just in a minute correctly. Control B. See, one thing you notice, if I'm doing this control B in these two edges together in vertex mode, see what happens. You see here, see, this is back. So what you do, go to edge selection mode and then select these, control B. Now good. So I need only one segment in between and done. Now you need it, you can smooth it out. So this was the concept. So what I will do, I will select these, control A, scale, then select last empty and right click and do the parent object. Now let's give the name t-shirts and let's give it here t-shirt 01. Then this is of course t-shirts again. This will be hanger. This will be holder. Let's give a name here, but okay. Now what? Now we can use it properly. So what we want to do, we want to create wallpaper with this product. So let's have our background, create plane and rotate it X. Press edit mode tab through tab and then press A to select all. Go to vertex mode, select and scale it at least this much, and let's push it here accordingly in this way. Okay. Now what? This is my wall. So let's change the name to these BG, and this is fine. So now I need a camera. Shift like this. Shift A, go to camera, and what do you call it? Yeah, 0. See, let's have it this way, I guess. Control, I mean, not control, I guess, right click to this, an outliner and select hierarchy, selected. So actually what we can do, we have here only subdivision. Okay. We also have a subdivision. We also have a subdivision. Let's delete these and let's use this to be center. Control J is done. Great. Now what I will be doing, I'll use only these. Let's say product 01. This will be nice. Okay, now I will press array. So before using array, I will shut this down, my modifier, and then I'll use okay, let's have it here. Now use array. Now use array. I needed 3. No. 1 point. Yes. The array again for 1.5 0 1.5. Okay. Yes, this is good, but I need a little pushback. I think this we are looking for. Okay, so what we can do, let's apply. Okay, and let's create separate. Let's separate whatever the color we want. Like select these P selection, select these P separate selection. You can select these P separate selection, even these P separate selection, and let's have P separate selection done. So these are good. Okay, rest will be the single color. So what we want, we have a default material, let's use it. But before that, let's clean our blender. This, so remove this dot stroke, change name to wall. Okay, so this will be a simple white wall. I don't want anything else in this, so let's put it white wall. Okay, and apply this to background and remove it from here. Okay, now I need a save. I need to save it. Then abstract background. Okay, so let's give a name to one thing. Eight white t-shirts. Okay, and I don't want any specular on it. I can have a sheen fully and a little. It's okay. I need a texture. I need a light. Before that, I need a light. So let's come back here. Let's create light. So let's set this first in cameras. This way, guys, you can create a product wallpaper regarding to your creative, your client's product or something. You can work such way, and it can be used for. This can also be used for to create actual wallpaper, banners, posters, backgrounds, or you can use it for a wrapping paper. You create those equally seamless render, and then you can use it for your client's wrapping. I mean, for a bag or a wrapper, anything you can use it. You just need to render it accordingly as per the need in what medium you want it. I mean, you want it in wrapping paper, you create a perfect seamless uh, render which helps you to tile it up in graphic design softwares. And you want banner, poster or something, same way you need a correct resolution render which will help you for graphic designing, for advertisement or marketing. So let's create a light. What light this time we create? Let's have this way. Have a big light and created by, let's see what we get. This is good. I think this is good. 50 to here, amazing. And 50 to here, I guess. Let's put it 0 and 0, and come back here for disk size to 20. Of course, 10,000. I need it here little blue. Okay, and this one I need a little. Awesome. And of course, this one we will need it properly. So let's rotate in a way. What if I use spotlight? So what it gives? It gives an what in a way. Such spotlights. I think this is good. Let's see what it gives again. The sharp spot. You want less blend. Okay. This kicks the output in a way like, see the cut? I need it a little up here, a little further, and nice. Can go a little down. Perfect. Light warmth. Okay. And let's have rest of the texture. So first of all, the texture which I was creating, that is done already. So let's select shift. Now I need to create texture for first for holder and hanger. Hanger you can keep it black, holder you can keep it chrome, which is much better to see. So now, okay, Control I to select inverse, set it assign first, and then to here, let these, I mean these holders. Okay, Control L to select only the sub object or the element which is for holder. Then come here, assign. Now we have two textures. Let's create chrome first. So this will be chrome. Nothing else you have to do. Just you can see how. Okay, so I'm just creating chrome here. We got it. You can see, right? And the next one is plastic. Let's have a black color. A little gray will be nice. The roughness will be less. And let's put some subsurface scattering. So for subsurface scattering, let's create RGB node with same black color. Connect it to these and these. We can put this here. It won't give us such effect. So that's why I'm putting it and creating this. You can also create a subsurface scattering radius with little lighter. Would be nice. So it's fine. Let's have a little roughness. Okay. So here we have all done. Now we need to textures others. So for that others textures, what I will do, I'll hide these so I can understand what textures I need. So select all these, object, set origin, geometry, origin to geometry. Okay, and now I need each t-shirt to be separated for different colors or a single color. So let's have a single color. Done. Okay, so let's have these hangers and the stuff to be one again, of course. So we can texture them. So first of all, plastic. Okay, and let's select those hangers once. Control L, then Control I, and create rest up and put Chrome in it, and done. Now what we are doing here, oh, so now we need textures. So I'll create a white color t-shirt, which I will change it, and I will name it t-shirt 1, or let's have one, let's have single color, colored t-shirt. Okay, so here I will create a color ramp, okay, a gradient. So shift A, search, type gradient, then control T if you have switched on your node wrangler add-on in your add-on preferences, and then connect it here. connect it here. Let's see which one it is. This one. So quadratic sphere, no. Easing, I guess, no. Diagonal, spherical, it's too much. Better with quadratic sphere, and increase the scale by increase the scale by 0.25. This is nice, but I need a little off this way. Let's have it. Okay, and color will be so this will be color for one. Okay, so same I want it for these. Okay, let's have this one different. Only one single color. RGB. So full touch. Okay, all we need. So we need to switch on our subdivision surface. Okay, Alt touch back again. Select all these. Control A, scale. Uh, if you see this is good enough, but I need a little more brightness. But we can do that around in Photoshop or Krita or any editing software, video photo editing software. Sorry. So let's save this and let's render it in my 4K resolution. So here it is. See here and see here, as I'm using this add-on which I made it for myself, and for you guys there is already in Blender Market version 1 of these CFR called in tri-vima creative profile in Blender Market. So you do check on, and you like it, you buy it, and soon I will be uploading this new version 2. So let's say 4K, it will change the attributes of resolution. Also I have created few other resolutions and also some facilities for animation and switching the width and height, and I can directly render it. Save it. So let's hit render, and we'll see what we get. Wow. Okay, let's we have this big size. This escape, come back here, performance. Okay. We should always see that the styling size should be 256, not bigger than that, not bigger than that. Okay, save as, let's that again. It's getting, it's still getting cancelled. Wait for it. So it will get ready for render. Render is started. Yeah, it's getting rendered. So this was the tutorial of how to create 3D abstract wallpaper or the background. Abstract background. It's not necessary we should create a geometric or some star shape and we create the background. We can also present our products, our such uh, items which can be which can be marketed, which can be used for our publicity for our business. We can use them for many purpose, like uh, a, a pattern for printing purpose, backgrounds, for templates, banners, posters, some merchandise, also for screens display where we can show kind of elements for some graphic work, presentation, for marketing, for our business. So this way I presented a t-shirt as a product, but in days of wallpaper, as in face a green background. This can be used for anything. So here it is. It's getting ready. See, we got it. Yes, we got it. Let's save this. Done. So thank you guys for watching, and do check my previous all tutorials. Like, share, subscribe, follow on YouTube and Instagram to tri-vima.creatives. Hope you like my videos, and do share to others those who are willing to learn such kind of artwork in 3D. I do teach privately online for Blender regarding interior, exterior, product visualization, etc., game assets, environment, or you can say majorly asset library stuff. I do animation, characters, many things. Comment how you liked it and keep creating. Stay always at art. Thank you. Bye for now.